Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn the finger play, Five Little Monkeys and Mr. Crocodile. Five little monkeys swinging in a tree. This is Mr. Crocodile, you can catch me. Up comes the crocodile, silent as can be, and snap! Oh! Four little monkeys swinging in a tree. This is Mr. Crocodile, you can catch me. Up comes the crocodile, as silent as can be, and snap! Whoop! Three little monkeys swinging in a tree. This is Mr. Crocodile, you can catch me. Up comes the crocodile, as silent as can be, and snap! Oh, two little monkeys swinging in a tree. This is Mr. Crocodile, you can catch me. Up comes the guy, as silent as can be, and snap! Oh, one little monkey swinging in a tree. This is Mr. Crocodile, you can catch me. Up comes the crocodile, as silent as can be, and snap! Oh.